Hello, do-it-yourselfers. This is Gary, the handyman and homeowner, redoing a kitchen with ceramic tile and half-inch cement board screwed every 6 inches. The first section took 4 or 5 hours to do a 6x6 area by hand. And I was totally defeated by this floor, so I went on YouTube and luckily discovered the Honey Badger demo fork. And after watching numerous videos, I was sold and ordered it from Amazon. Came within a short 4 or 5 days, and it was awesome. It just tore this floor up, and we knocked it out in probably 8 to 10 hours. And I'm just thankful I found this great tool, and the story behind it with the family making one in their backyard, and the